So how are smaller and mid-sized firms and even a lot of the bigger firms managing data right now? I love this image. I always feel like, we're buried in piles of paper, documents. We've got proposals and pitches that are electronic, but also printed out. I know a lawyer very well who just said, I've got to go to the office because I have to print out the 200-page document so that I can read it. I was just like, face palm plant. We've got data everywhere, disconnected data in systems in the firm financial system. They're in Word documents, and oh, the beloved spreadsheet. I've worked with so many firms where we're evaluating their CRM and we get into 10 different topics like, well, okay, where is this? Spreadsheets. Where are your business development activities? Spreadsheets. Where are your business development opportunities? Spreadsheets. Your mailing list? Spreadsheets. They're everywhere. And if you've got all this disconnected data, it's a huge problem.